Hi guys, welcome back to Casual Watch Reviews. Well, today I'm joined by John from Tea and Tickers. John, how are you?
I'm all right, Sam. Thank you for having me. I'm good, thank you.
John, I've got you on because you own a watch that I think the whole community has been extremely interested in knowing what they're like. They're hard to get hold of. I've spoke to the local AD here in Orlando. He says that they cannot keep these watches in stock, and that is the new Tudor FXD.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, I was banging on about this watch from day one when it came out. I saw it launched on a Wednesday on I think the Perth Luxuries channel, and everyone was complaining the fact there's the fixed lugs and everything. So I did a video that night, and I said, "Look, guys, it's not for us. It's for the Marine Nationale, and we're having a go at it. So don't complain about the fixed lugs. It's what it is. They've asked for it, and they've got it." I kept saying I wanted one, I wanted one, I wanted one, and eventually I got one. I got one from BQ Watches as my channel sponsor. And the funny thing is, he sent it out, and it wasn't advertised in FXD on his channel, and I ordered it. And then as it was coming overnight, I then found out it was an FXD. I looked at the rest of the pictures and thought, oh my God, it's an FXD 21 model, which is the rare one, 150 only.
Yeah, can you explain what that means? Can you explain what that means for people that don't know?
Of course I do. Okay, so I'll take the strap off. So the old Tudors of the 1970s, which is the Marine Nationale, which is the French Navy, when they got hold of them, they used to stamp on the back the date on it. So that's got 21, which is for 2021. And he used to put like 1970 on and 1971, whatever year it was. So because this came out at the end of 2021, like November, they've only made 150 of the 2021 model, which makes it extremely rare. And people tend to want to go for the first issue of a new model. The 2022 is out. I don't know how many they've made, but whatever, that's sold out. You cannot get a 2022 either. You can put your name on the list for 2023. And apparently that's the last year then they're making them. I've heard they're not going to make any more after 2023.
Oh, wow, I didn't know that.
That's what I heard from someone in the know.
So they're not replacing the Pelagos with this?
No, the Pelagos still exists. Everyone loves the Pelagos. He's got a wonderful titanium bracelet, the proper Pelagos. I'm going to get one eventually to review because I'd like to see what this bracelet is like. But as you say, it's got fixed lugs on, which means you cannot put a strap on at all. It's got a bracelet on. You just got to feed a strap through a single piece strap. It's a proper beast. It's titanium, very light, and it's got that military strip. It's my channel. I love military issued watches. My holy grail is a Rolex Mil Sub 5517, which is 250 grand. Can't get one of those for love the money. So this is the kind of equivalent for the Marine Nationale, if you like, which I'm really chuffed about.
And the issued one your one's slightly different than the issued one, isn't it? Has it got more text on the dials?
Yeah, it's got more text. So as you can see on mine, it's got 4 lines of text on the dial, whereas the one that's issued has only 2 lines of text. Now this is only 200. It's only 200 meters water resistant, where a Pelagos I think is 600, and people are complaining about that. Well, a Marine National diver goes to 9 meters below the water. That's it. It doesn't even need to be 200 meters, and because it's only 200, it's thinner. So it's quite a bit thinner than a standard Pelagos, because it's not got all the seals in to hit 600 meter water resistance. I love it. I just not taken it off since I got it, really.
Yeah, what is it like owning it from day to day? It comes with 2 straps.
It comes with 2 straps. Yeah, it's got a Velcro. It's got a Velcro one, a one-piece Velcro one. It's got a one-piece rubber one. And it's got some kind of metal in it, I think. I don't know. It's very pliable and soft, but it's pretty strong. Yeah, it's great. It's really light. If you occasionally put another, you can really tell the difference on your wrist because it's titanium. Of course, this is my first, I would say, luxury watch. A Tudor would count as a luxury watch. I've only owned Seikos and stuff like that before, so it's quite a buzz having it. And the loom is the loom is bonkers on it. It's all over the dial and the bezel. So the loom is really, really good. It's a very, burn your eyeballs out. It's a proper good loom on it.
What is your wrist size, and do you think it's suitable? What wrist size do you think it's suitable for?
My wrist size just below it's just about 8 and a bit inches, slightly less than 8.5 inches, and it's it's 42 mil, I think it is. And it's perfect. It fits absolutely perfectly on my wrist. Absolutely.
So anyone from like 7-inch wrist up, maybe 6.5, 7-inch wrist.
Yeah, 7-inch wrist. Yeah, it'll fit. Yeah, fit absolutely perfectly. Yeah, if you're not bothered about having a bracelet, I really would get in on one of these if you can get hold of one. I mean, they're going away about it was 2,850 when it first came out. The 21, they're going for 5,500, £6,000 now on eBay. The 21s, commanding good money.
You mentioned the fabric strap. Is it like a Velcro or?
It's a Velcro strap. Yes, it's a Velcro, one-piece Velcro strap. It goes through, and then it's a Velcro strap. It's quite nice. Yeah.
Well, I guess final question here is: would you recommend it? Then it sounds like you would.
Yeah, certainly would. Yeah, I recommend it. And it's different, and I think it's going to definitely hold its value or go up in value. Yeah, it's worth the hype. If you like your military watches, it definitely is worth the hype.
Well, John, I really appreciate you joining us. Check out John's channel, Tea and Tickers. He does an awesome live stream that he was kind enough to let me on the other day.
Thank you very much. Thanks, Sam.
See you next time on Casual Watch Reviews. Bye, guys.